Need speedy expert service? Tired of waiting all day for a repair person? Call Mr. Appliance. We arrive within a 2-hour window that is emailed to you the day before with a picture of your service professional. All of our service professionals are factory trained and have background checks done for your security and peace of mind. And our leave no trace policy means you wouldn't